Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial and this video. This is part 3 of making a mouse pointer boss fight in Scratch. So let's get started. So first go to the player hitbox sprite and now let's go the calculate X and Y and power P block. And guys, before we start, please subscribe and smash the like button and maybe we can reach 100 subscribers before the the year finish. Maybe we could, or maybe we can reach 70 or 80. That will be great. So please subscribe and smash the like button. So let's get started. First, guys, I want to see if we got a perimeter block. Let's see. Perimeter, point X and Y. But guys, let's make 20 blocks. I think we have it. Yes. So make 20 blocks. So change X correctly. Rally our screen refresh. And change Y correctly. Rally our screen refresh. So, but okay. So now let's go this box. And guys, before we code the box, go to the boss sprite that we made. So now let's customize it. And guys, I'm going to make like a head of a segment to the boss. So let's make it. So I'm going to make, well, that's in my case. You can make the boss as you want. So I'm going to make a white circle. And I'm going to remove the outline. Okay, and now I'm going to make a circle, but I'm going to remove the fill it with nothing but the outline. I'm going to put it like gray. Okay guys, so maybe a gray. I'm going to put it 6. So there we made it. I thought it was gray. Okay, so let's change it. Okay, so there are 2 gray. And now let's put it over here. Well, backward. No, sorry. No, yes, here. Backward. I'm going to make it bigger. Wait, like that maybe? No. So there is good, and now let's make some ice. So let's make them, but here that one it's going to be black, and I'm going to put 10 maybe. That could be good. So okay, looks great, but uh, this one I'm going to delete it. I'm going to copy this one and paste it. So we have it like that. But I'm going to put it closer, okay. And now I'm going to put a mouth. I'm going to put it like that. Okay, so there is good. So guys, to see the result of this, let's go to backdrop and let's convert to bitmap and let's fill it with color like this. So I'm going to swap black with blue maybe, like that. Let's see. Oh, there is great. So let's select that and we see the results and it's very good. But we need more costumes. But I'm going to do like animation of his opening the mouth to show like an attack. So now let's make more costumes. So guys, well maybe I wanted to only customize it to show it, but maybe let's continue coding the player hitbox sprite and then maybe we can customize the boss. So change X correctly. Let's code it. So if touching boss, okay. So I don't have this block. Let's see. Yes, we have it. Change X Y. So change X Y and put it times. So X velocity or X bell times -1. Repeat 20 times. Let's duplicate this. Okay, but let's going to delete the repeat 20. So if that, and now if not touching boss, okay, change checks will by, so change checks by x will times 0.1, and now that's going to duplicate this, and that's going to put it like here. Now guys, I think better here. Okay, by changing to negative 0.1. And now let's put set x will to 0. Okay. And now see the project. And now it's going to duplicate this. Wait, we can't duplicate. Okay, wait, we can't duplicate block. Okay, so change work correctly. So let's go to duplicate this. And now it's going to be the same, but we're going to change y and y ball like that. But it's almost the same. So change y block. So let's do this. Change y by and change it to y ball times -1, repeat 20 times if not touching boss, but let's going to do this, and it's better to duplicate this and this delete it if not touching boss. Change y by y all times 0.1, and now here is a y to 0, and here let's change to wait, to a y times down to 0.1. So here change y by y times down to 0.1 and set y to 0. Save the project. I don't know how the winner receives our game. Let's search it. So here, yes, we have the winner receives our game. And now guys, finally let's code the calculate x and y power p. So let's code it. I don't have this variable, let's see. No. So make a new variable. Naming it holder for this is spread only. Okay guys. So hide it, and now put 3 sets. So set holder, set xable, set yable, set a projectile. Let's put more blocks. So put a minus and let's put a times. So on the right side of the times put a 90, and the left side of the times put a minus. So in the right side of the minus put a 1, in the left side of the minus put a times, in the right side of the times put a 2, in the left side of the times put a greater than. So if x is greater than x position. Okay, times 2 minus 1 times 90. So let's put it here, and in the right side of this minus put um 8 that here in the apps, and we can change it to 8. So 8 wait, here of put a divide, put 2 minus 1 in each side. So y input, wait, y input minus y position divided by x minus x position. Okay, say the project. So in the set x will and set y will put, in the x will put a sin. Okay, duplicate. No wait, don't duplicate. We'll do that later. So sin of a times, and in the left side of the times put a minus, and in the right side put the p input. So oh wait, here. So sin of 0 minus calder times p. Okay, duplicate. So cos of 0 minus calder times p. Okay. So guys, finally we've finished the player hitbox sprite. That's great. So guys, in the next tutorial we will code the health, and that will be any sprite. So subscribe if you want me to make part 4 of the mouse puncher boss fight. So let's get started. Sorry, bye bye.